Hello, I am Dr. Bakulesh Chauhan. I am father of Ashnik Chauhan, who was in Vision in 2014, and he has given at that time considered as All India pre-medical test. Now it is considered as NEET, and he was All India PMT 253 rank, and I think he was first in Gujarat, and he has cleared Armed Force Medical College All India test, that is AFMC Pune, All India 7th rank. He has cleared AIMS with 272 ranks. He cleared at that time GUJCAT, which was compulsory, with 115.5 marks, that is 19th rank. He has at that time JIPMER was different exam. He has cleared JIPMER also with a very good rank, and after everything done, he secured his admission at SET GS Medical College and KEM Hospital, Mumbai, and he is at present doing internship at KEM. As far as vision is concerned, I would say that they are having a vision, and if you are not having any vision, then you can go haywire in your life. So it is very much important to have vision in your life, and they itself, Rajiv sir, Jitu sir, for that matter Arif sir, Ravi sir, if you like talk with these people, you get impressed. But when you or your son or your daughter then work with them, then you become biased that I would not recommend anything other than these people in my future life. And that's why I am talking of this class, I am talking of these people in even 2020, also after 6 years of my son has passed. There are one or two incidences I would say, Rajiv sir, that sir ऐसा करो, सुबह से बच्चे को पढ़ा रहे हो सर, इतने सारे डाउट्स है, और हमने बच्चों को बोला कि भाई आपको रिसेस चाहिए, but then बच्चे is not ready to take recess. So he was like teaching children from 8 AM morning. मैं रात को 8 बजे बच्चे को लेने जाता हूँ, फिर भी बच्चे आर नॉट टायर्ड. I have never seen my son having class of 6 hours, having class of 4 hours, or having class of 8 hours and coming home and he is tired. पापा आज थक गए, आज नहीं पढ़ना है. Never seen him. Whenever, even today also, if Ashnik is in Baroda, he meets Rajiv sir, he meets Jitu sir, and घर आने के बाद they are having spark in their eyes कि आज कुछ अच्छा लेके आए. If you want to, they are having, they are like 2 coins. Rajiv sir and Jitu sir is, I would say, सिक्के की 2 बाजू है. If you want some elaborate answer, if you want to learn some philosophy of life, then you should meet Rajiv sir. And if you want nothing, no bullshit, straight answer, एक वर्ड ज्यादा नहीं, एक वर्ड कम नहीं, अगर आपको कुछ ठोस, फिजिक्स में क्या होता है, ठोस होता है, एंड जीतू सर फिजिक्स पढ़ाते हैं, तो अगर आपको कुछ ठोस चीज चाहिए, एक शब्द ज्यादा न एक शब्द कम, तो आप जीतू सर के साथ बैठिए. ये मैं नहीं बोलता हूँ. These are the words from my son, and I would say that I would recommend for each and every parent. And बाकी सब लोग जो चीजें बोलते हैं वो रूटीन है. You must have heard from all other sources कि भाई गूगल में मत जाओ, ये मत पढ़ो, वो मत पढ़ो. You should be having mentor. You should be like listening to only one class. There are all routine things, but what are the specific thing that I have narrated? And लोग बोलते हैं कि there are you should not be having your legs, दो नाव में पैर मत रखो, एक पैर एक नाव में, दूसरी पैर दूसरे नाव में. वो सब चीजें है, बराबर है, but what extra you will get in vision, that is most important thing. You will get vision in vision. Your son, your daughter will be having one focus faculty, and you should be having good mentor in your life. I think I have made my point clear. Thank you.